mouths shut and worked when no one was watching. Their work will be seen by everyone too, but in a much different way. Which one do you want to be? Sacrifice. If you don't sacrifice for what you want will become the sacrifice. And you will have to settle for a life you do not want. If you aren't willing to sacrifice now for what you want, then you can guarantee later you will be making sacrifices for many things you don't want. If you don't work for it now, you will be working for someone who did work for it later. If you don't put in the blood, sweat, and tears now, sacrifice your time, sacrifice your nights out, give up your treats. If you don't give up everything that is holding you back, that will be reflecting back to you in your future. That's life. Success will never come easy. Great results will never come easy. You might get lucky. You might get okay results. But long-term success requires sacrifice, effort, and discipline.
What up? So a bit of a different intro there. Bit of a motivational intro. I'm a bit fuzzy. We've got low light at the moment, so bit of a fuzzy view. It's not going to be the clearest. So how is everyone? Is everyone well? Hope everyone's good. We are streaming from home today, as you can probably tell. What's going on, Aaron? Hope you're good. It has been a while, you're right. Been a while. But that's all good. We welcome everyone here. You know how it is. Less than, right? Yeah. I wish it was still the same for like close below. That was much better like that. So it has been a while, but yeah, hope you're good. If you haven't already checked out the Keep It Simple series, then make sure you do that. We've got a couple of pairs that are pinged off a second ago. We've got U-Chef here. We've got UJ. And we will possibly get an entry here. Now we did have a GU entry, which is running quite nicely here. Down into the lows that we're looking for. Now, of course, you could run it to here, you know, 1 to 3.4. But we're going to extend it down to the lower target. That brings us into the daily directional move. Again, a lot of stuff on here. Don't worry too much about that. But this is the Orion trading system. And just like the setup over here, you can trade this exact system. You can learn it right here on YouTube. We actually need to... Now we are going to be releasing, well, if you guys want it, an accelerated Orion trading course, essentially, where we walk you through every single aspect of it and we break it down to you guys to give you the best. Now we do actually have a fault here with the Orion indicator, so don't worry too much about that. When you go back to the daily, you'll see that we are bearish here. We're not bullish, we're bearish. So don't worry too much about the indicator here on GU. And your LTF right there. and there was no LTF for the entry right there, but we did have the standard Orion entry given, which is cool. So remember at the beginning of the week, we gave out a bias for long on gold, and prices just continued going long. We gave out a bias for long on NASDAQ, and price again has continued running through the highs. We're now expecting it to come and take out these higher points as well. Remember guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the sub button, all that good stuff, you know the deal. I just had some spicy noodles and they were pretty damn spicy, to be honest with you. A little bit warm now. Let's go back to UJ. No LTF available there. Potentially on UChef, we'll see we have coming through to there. If it wants to give us that, we'll find out. So how's everyone's week been so far? Has everyone's week been well? We've been recording some content for you guys this morning. I'm thinking I might have to get a light on, a little bit dark, which I hate. I hate having artificial lights on during the day. I just prefer natural light, you know? I've been pretty busy as well with my other businesses I've got running in the background. Honestly, pretty damn busy. See, that's flashing off, but we don't actually have, this is why I don't like the new alert system they've got. You see how here you used to be able to just go to alert and then it'd be close above or close below. Crossing up, crossing down, less than, outside, moving up, moving down. Like, why doesn't it just, you know? No, so you can do it once per bar close, but I just want once price has gone like closed out below that point. That's all I want. That's all I'm interested in. Remember, we're using the Orion money in, money out concept. And if you haven't already learnt it, you can learn it. Because we're still like a minute 25 out from this. So how is everyone? Is everyone good? I would love to know. Let me know. Are you good? Are you bad? Are you happy? Are you sad? What's going on? "38 seconds on that. Remember guys, if you have learnt the Orion system, then take the code down below, go and grab yourself a copy of FX Replay, and then prove to yourself that the system is going to perform the way that you think it will. Just get rid of them, I don't actually need them there, do we? Remember, these are key points here. And this is a good example of our counter trend understanding, where you have price moving up, taking out a daily point, and then you have money coming out, giving you, in this case, a super short-term move to the downside. There's one perk of working at home. We get to be joined by the giant cat that is Boo. She might look like she's just, you know, close to the camera, but she is freaking ginormous. Yes, I can see you, yeah. Obviously, being a cat, she has no concept of personal space. Hello. Okay, now, this point is valid for LTF here. $4.5R. You're just standing right in front of me. She's just standing there. Well, obviously, you guys can see because she's taking up more than half of my camera right now. Thanks. She's just doing laps. She's literally just doing laps. Hello, hello. So for anyone that doesn't know how large she is, I will show you in a second when she comes back round. Come here. Come on. Now she's wobbling the screen. Here we go. Come here. Get now. She doesn't even fit in the, I can't even get her to fit in the camera. That's how large she is. She doesn't even fit in the camera. So yeah, it's all good having a cat that size, but she shits like a dog. And like when she's on the bed, that's her tail. When she's on the bed, it's like you've got like a toddler sitting on the bed or something. So guys, remember to say hi. If you got any questions, ask away. I'm happy to answer. Remember, if you're not interested in being funded or working through a funded firm, you can get yourself the best brokerage account down below with Vantage FX. I've used these guys for probably 5+ years, even before I was a pro trader. Well, I don't even like to say pro trader because there's no such thing as pro, full-time trader. I was using them then, and they are unmatched for commissions and spread and withdrawal time and deposit time. They are great. So if you want to use that link down below, you'll get exclusive bonuses on your account. And that's running nicely here. I can actually get rid of this. This was some back testing stuff that I was showcasing to the yeah, most of that. Do from here. This. I'm pretty sure that the bias was still bullish from back down there, right? Oh, she was only bullish from here. So there was actually a couple of orders I should have left there. Oh well, it don't matter. We'll rejig it at the end of the week and you guys will be able to see what we're looking at and so on. Let's get back off of here. Let's go over to UJ. Right, so UJ right now, nothing. It's fine. UChef as well. We don't actually have anything in terms of Orion. We've got LTF down here. But frequency on that is a lot higher, so probability of it working is a lot less. Remember, we're still looking for bullish here on gold. I'm just transferring some data. Cool. You get this. Has everyone had a good week so far? Yay, nay? Haven't? There we go. Have to go here, 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 here. Perfect. And then we can download these. Awesome. So apologies if we get a little bit of lag or anything like that. I am downloading some content right now. Bearish, is that true? Yes. So honestly, this week so far, been pretty slow. Just on break even. All right, nice. Break even's better than a loss. Oh, we're actually playing around with automating some of our systems, but like the most raw, basic, you know, just super simple setups. And let me show you this one. I think it was this, right? I'll show you. Oh, let's get that out of the way. Here, right? Now I'll show you some some of the, wait, was this the one? Don't think it was. I think this is the one that's reversed. 1 second. Yeah, no, this is. Okay, right, here we go. Right, yes, I'm pretty sure that's the way we had it before, was that right? But the way that the system runs, because this is oil, this one here, it was on the 4 hour, I believe it was. No, not that one. Gold, there's a decent one. Obviously, this is just a representation of, you know, a digitized version of a system that we would apply. But this is using like zero risk management. Well, not risk management, sorry, but zero principles in terms of the way that it's trading. So if you look at these, a lot of these trades aren't TPing. Like this, they're not TPing. You're pretty much exiting to enter, to exit to enter. It's the way that the trading view system works. It doesn't work on a contract base. Sorry, not on a contract, but on a position base. It works on a contract base. So you can't, in theory, you can't hedge. You can't have a bullish and bearish position open at the same time. If you're buying and then you sell, it closes that buy position. So this is not vindictive of the actual system itself. But you see like this, you see how you have it like progressively just like straight down, like zero profitable times on that at all. Then you just change the time frame and it changes the results that you see. That in itself shows that the consistency on the way that it's executing isn't correct. Especially if we go back to like performance or trade analytics, you're here. So here, see how it says largest winning trade is 86.3, largest losing trade 219, which is reversed. It should never be like that, especially with the system we use. You guys know that it is never going to work like that. It's always going to be larger winning trade than there will be losing trade because you're using a set target and you're using a set amount of risk. So just messing around, even with like little to no sort of, how would I say, core principles in place, you're still seeing price deliver on some time frames good returns, but then on a lot of them, it's just blasting to the downside. Now, I'm pretty sure if it was the daily or the weekly, but if you look at the amount of trades, it's 700 and something trades. Like it's an absurd amount of like trades. And then here, like the 1 minute, 999 trades. This is just a shallow back test. If you go to a deep back test, do it from the furthest point in price, you'll see 2009 to 2025. Yo, what's going on, William? Hope you're good, man. Once it decides to load. So here you see the net profit is down. And then when you see like jumps like that, that's because you're essentially piling on the same side positions. Whereas we should be having exits and entries. 1.1 million returns. Where was the... on here, trade analytics. Yeah, so look, largest winning trade 23, largest losing trade. So your losing trade is 3 times bigger than your winning trade, which means that there's an issue with the way it's executing, like I said earlier. Go to 15-minute. See what I mean? About the way it's running, and you're seeing that there's always a big drop off, which means there's a way that it's not managing the risk correctly. Now the GJ pairs, if I remember, not GJ, but JPY pairs, if I remember correctly, were pretty good, yeah. But then that's because of the way that they're trending and the way that it's obviously mismanaging positions. But just having a play for the first initial introduction to the setups. So GU still just running right now. This isn't going to be a very long live stream, guys, by the way. It's just going to be a pop in, say hi, and then I'm going to shoot off because I've got some video editing to do. We are streaming from home today as well. Also, still need to transfer this. Still need to get this transferred across. Because I've tried more than once now to transfer this across, right? It's even, you probably can't see. Oh, what? Look at the LiDAR flashing up there. I've tried more than once to do it, and I can't get it to do it. I've got the new mouse case, by the way. Don't know if you can see it. Mouse, pretty good brand in terms of the way that their reputation holds them, which is good. Because I'm notoriously bad for not being able to keep a phone in one piece. So UChef LTF is right up near. Let me go back down here. So we were more here because of spread. So it's looking like it's probably going to foul, which is fine. So I've been enjoying the new Mac Miller album that's been released. Don't know if any of you guys have listened to it. No LTF entry here, by the way. So we're just going to go through here, and you can see this is the last LTF entry we had, which was AU. I can even click on it. Right there, you can see 1 to 10, and then you had your short-term target, which here is a 1 to 6.8. 1 second, partner's calling me. Just mute you guys 1 second. Alright guys, so we're really going to wrap the live stream up. We're still holding on to this. We're not really far off of being taken out. I honestly don't think it's going to work. I've written this off already, to be honest with you. So what if it doesn't work? We've taken 2 winners here. One was an Orion setup and one's an Orion lower time frame setup. You can see those right here. And we're still in GU, which is running nicely as well, so we don't really care if it doesn't work. We know that it's all about statistics and the way that you execute, so it's really not a big deal. But apologies, it hasn't been the most informative live stream, hasn't been the most exciting live stream. We will be in the Discord shortly. If you guys want to join me, you can. I look forward to speaking to you all there. But for now, we're going to call it. I'm going to say thank you to everyone. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's live stream. Tomorrow's live stream will be earlier, by the way. It won't be a New York session live stream. So thanks to everyone, and I'll catch you all very soon. Remember, guys, all the codes you need are all down below, so you can find them all down there. And new content coming very soon. I'm just doing some editing for that tonight. So I'll speak to you guys soon. Peace and love.